Hey everybody, welcome back to the shop. This is Todd with Industrial Comfort. If you have a project that uses dowels where you need a nice smooth finish on the end, you could use sandpaper. It's going to take you a really long time. Your ends will be smooth, but I doubt they're going to be even. So today I'm going to show you how to use a roundover bit, your router table, and a scrap piece of 2x4 to give you quick, really smooth, symmetric, even finishes to your dowels. The first step is finding a scrap piece of 2x4, which most of you probably have in your shop. And I found a 2x4 works really well for this project. You're going to want to mark a line 3/4 of an inch up from the bottom and find center. This is where we're going to drill our hole. And this should provide plenty of clearance for an inch wide dowel. Now here's the catch. We're going to use an 1 1/16 bit instead of an inch bit. Now you may be saying, why wouldn't you just use an inch bit for an inch wide hole? And the problem is the tolerances are going to be too tight with an inch bit, and it's not going to allow us to freely rotate the dowel against the router bit to get the appropriate shaping we're looking for, which is why we're going with an 1 1/16. And I realize not everybody probably has this bit in their workshop. Okay, we're over at the router table, and with our block now drilled out, we're going to mount this using a clamp to our fence here. And we're going to try to get it as close to the roundover bit as possible. Now, the smallest radius bit I have here is 1/4 inch, so that's what I'm going to go with. Now I'm going to take my rod and I'm going to insert it into the hole of the jig, and actually it already looks like it's centered on the bearing, which is exactly what we want it to be. Now, from below, I'm going to raise the bit until it is in a location where it's going to give me the appropriate radius on the end of the dowel. And that looks like it's going to, well, almost do it. Okay, so we're going to lock it in place. We're going to make sure that the fence is locked down. We'll turn the router on. Actually, when the fence is locked, it ended up raising the block a little bit. So I'm going to drop that down, make sure everything is locked, and that is good. A small 2x4 with a hole in it can work wonders in terms of rounding over a dowel like this. If you found this helpful, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe. Thanks for watching.